The car industry is changing, electric vehicles are becoming more popular. People want cleaner and more efficient cars. EVs are the future of transportation. Electric cars have many advantages. They produce zero emissions. This helps protect the environment. They're also very quiet. This makes driving more enjoyable. These cars are powered by electricity that use batteries to store energy. The batteries can be recharged. Charging stations are becoming more common. Tech companies see an opportunity in EVs. The electric vehicle market is booming, and tech giants are eager to get a piece of the action. Companies like Apple and Google are entering the car market. They are leveraging their brand power and technological prowess to make a significant impact. They bring their expertise in software and technology. This expertise is crucial as modern cars become more reliant on advanced software systems. EVs are like giant computers on wheels. They use advanced software to manage everything from navigation to climate control. This software controls everything from the battery to the entertainment system. It ensures that the car runs efficiently and provides a seamless user experience. Tech companies excel in software development. Their ability to create robust and user-friendly software gives them an edge in the EV market. Tech companies also have experience with data and connectivity. They know how to handle large amounts of data and use it to improve products. EVs generate a lot of data. This data can be analyzed to enhance vehicle performance and user experience. This data can be used to improve performance. Engineers can fine-tune the car's systems based on real-world data. It can also be used to develop new features. Continuous data analysis leads to innovative solutions and better products. Autonomous driving is another area where tech companies can contribute. Their expertise in AI and machine learning is invaluable. Self-driving cars rely heavily on software and sensors. These technologies must work seamlessly together to ensure safety and reliability. Tech companies have the expertise to develop these technologies. Their innovation and experience make them key players in the future of transportation. Tesla is a leader in the EV market. The company has revolutionized electric cars. Their cars are known for their performance and style. Tesla has made EVs desirable. Their cars are fast and stylish. They have a long range. This has changed people's perception of electric cars. Tesla has also invested heavily in charging infrastructure. Their supercharger network is widespread. This makes it easy for Tesla owners to charge their cars. The company is constantly innovating. They are working on new battery technology. They are also developing self-driving features. Traditional automakers are now embracing EVs. Companies like Ford and GM are investing in electric models. They are transitioning from gasoline-powered cars. The shift to EVs is driven by consumer demand. People are more aware of environmental concerns. They are also attracted to the benefits of EVs. Governments are also encouraging the adoption of EVs. They are offering incentives. These incentives make EVs more affordable. Traditional automakers are adapting to this changing landscape. They are investing in new technologies. They are also partnering with tech companies. Section 5, Startups. Fueling EV innovation. Startups are also playing a key role in the EV revolution. These companies are agile and innovative. They are bringing new ideas to the market. Startups are focusing on different aspects of the EV ecosystem. Some are developing new battery technologies. Others are creating innovative charging solutions. Many startups are focused on niche markets. They are building electric trucks, buses, and even flying cars. This diversification is expanding the EV market. Startups bring fresh perspectives and a willingness to take risks. They are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with EVs. Section 6, the global electric vehicle movement. The EV revolution is a global phenomenon, transforming the way we think about transportation. Countries around the world are promoting electric mobility through various initiatives and policies. They are setting ambitious targets for EV adoption, aiming to reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change. China is the largest EV market in the world, leading the charge with millions of electric vehicles on its roads. The government is heavily investing in electric transportation, pouring billions into research and development. They are offering subsidies and building extensive charging infrastructure to support the growing number of EVs. European countries are also leading the way in EV adoption, with many cities becoming EV-friendly. Norway, for example, has the highest percentage of EVs per capita. thanks to its forward-thinking policies. They have implemented policies to encourage EV purchases, such as tax incentives and free parking for EV owners. The global EV market is expected to grow exponentially in the coming years, driven by increasing environmental awareness. This growth will be driven by technological advancements, government support, and consumer demand, making electric vehicles a key part of our future. Section 7. Data sharing in the EV era. Electric vehicles generate a lot of data. This data can be valuable for various stakeholders, including automakers, insurance companies, and even city planners. Automakers can use data to improve vehicle performance and develop new features. They can also use data to diagnose problems remotely. Insurance companies are interested in driving data. They can use this data to assess risk and set insurance premiums. Data privacy is a major concern in the EV era. Consumers need to be aware of how their data is being collected and used. Regulations are needed to protect consumer privacy. Section 8. The road ahead for electric vehicles. The future of the automotive industry is electric. As we move forward, electric vehicles, or EVs, are set to dominate the roads, offering a glimpse into a cleaner, more efficient future. Electric vehicles offer a cleaner, more sustainable mode of transportation. They produce zero emissions, reducing our carbon footprint and helping combat climate change. The technology is constantly improving. From advanced driver assistance systems to state-of-the-art infotainment, EVs are at the forefront of automotive innovation. Battery technology is advancing rapidly. Researchers are developing batteries that charge faster, last longer, and are more environmentally friendly. Batteries are becoming more energy-dense. This means they can store more power, allowing EVs to travel greater distances without needing to recharge. This means EVs can travel farther on a single charge. Long road trips are becoming more feasible, making EVs a practical choice for more people. Charging infrastructure is also expanding. Cities and towns are investing in more charging stations to support the growing number of EVs on the road. More charging stations are being installed. This widespread availability will make it easier for EV owners to find a place to charge, whether at home, work, or on the go. This will make it easier for people to charge their EVs. Convenient access to charging points is crucial for the widespread adoption of electric vehicles. The cost of EVs is expected to decrease. As technology advances and economies of scale are realized, electric vehicles will become more affordable for the average consumer. As production scales up, the price of batteries and other components will come down. This will further drive down the overall cost of electric vehicles. The EV revolution is here. More and more people are making the switch to electric, driven by environmental concerns and the desire for cutting-edge technology. Tech companies are playing a key role in this transformation. They are developing the software and systems that make electric vehicles smarter and more efficient. The future of transportation is electric, and it's exciting. With continuous advancements and growing support, electric vehicles are set to redefine how we move, making our world cleaner and more sustainable.